मित्रों, ये 2025 एडी है, टू बी प्रिसाइज 2025 years after the death of Christ. And now if you remember, on 20th of January this year, मैंने एक पोस्ट डाली थी कि 20th January is just like the birth of Christ. टाइम मेजर किया जाता है उसके पहले और उसके बाद. Now in this era, that date will be 20th January 2025, जिस दिन the new Emperor Trump took oath of office. So now it will be regarded as before Trump and after Trump. You might agree or disagree with me, but in last 2 months, whatever has happened in this world proves that the world will never be same again. Friends have become foes and foes have become friends. America has suddenly started hating its own people. The Europeans, the Brits, the Canadians, जिनसे वो umbilical cord से जुड़ा हुआ है. And he is befriending a totally unknown entity, Putin, a KGB agent who can any day sell him without a blink. Even Trump's dark-skinned non-Christian friend, dear Modi ji, doesn't know whether he is coming or going. Pal mein Masha, pal mein Ratti. One day Trump says he is my dearest friend, and second day he says India is the biggest abuser of tariffs. China is also on the brink. Because पिछले 30 साल में अमेरिका ने सारी फैक्ट्रीज चाइना में ट्रांसफ़र कर दी, सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट वहाँ कर दिया, एंड नाउ इट डजंट वांट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम चाइना. चाइना ने इस बीच सारी अपनी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर दी. दे हैव बिकम काइंड ऑफ अमेरिकन और वेस्टर्न, एंड नाउ द वेस्ट डजंट एक्सेप्ट देम. दिस इज अ लेसन हियर फॉर अस. अगर हमें भी प्रोग्रेस करनी है तो वी नीड नॉट बिकम वेस्टर्न और एप वेस्टर्न्स. वी हैव टू डेवलप आवर ओन. एंड फाइनली, जस्ट आफ्टर April Fool's Day, Trump is going to announce reciprocal tariffs on April 2. I think most world leaders might not sleep the night after April Fool's Day, क्योंकि reciprocal tariffs आने वाले हैं. And the best part is that after all this hullabaloo, Trump is not going to get what he wants. He can't reduce his trade deficit with these measures. Probably Trump also knows this, that he's not getting anywhere. Probably he knows that US economy has an incurable disease, just like COVID, and it's not going anywhere. He just wants to pass on that infection. एक बॉलीवुड का गाना है, हम तो डूबे सनम, तुम्हें भी साथ ले डूबेंगे. I think that is what Trump is trying these days. आपका क्या ख्याल है, ज़रूर बताएं. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.